we talk about how can you add new address on your app. We're going to figure out this edition or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on profile down here. So when you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, then you click here on addresses, you just click on it. So then when you click here on addresses here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you here like this. So just switch into open video. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on add a new address, then here add country and first name, username, address, then city in state or province and postal code. Then you click on add, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.